I welcome all of you on the managing team with remote leadership skills session. I represent Prism. Prism is a decade old organization. We are one of the leading training and consultancy firm, focusing on to the corporate trainings, quality workshops, having a skill academy in Solon where we are actually nurturing 280 students. We are purely into the organization development consultancy, focusing on human process intervention and human resource management intervention. Because we are too much into the research, we made our own philosophy, which is nothing but turned out to be an acronym that is prepare, respect, implement, share, and maintain. And because of this philosophy, we have been able to train more than 50,000 professionals. And we have bagged, Emerging HRD Thinker Award by Ministry of HRD, that is Indian Society of Training and Development. And you'll be surprised that we consecutively bagged 3 gold medal, on a year-on-year basis. So that was really nice, credibility to ourselves and to my team members. We are presently serving 50 plus organizations, both at national and international level. So that was Prism. You already know me. So thanks to Preeti again. With the 20 years of experience and various international certification, these are very, a professional ground. But on the personal side, I love dancing. I love traveling. And on the free time, I love to watch movies. One of my passion is blogging. So there is a lot of things which are available on my blog, and it's just a 5 minutes read or a 3 minutes read. So you can always refer to that. So with that note, I hope you have, done the Google Doc survey, and I'm proceeding it from here. So because of the, connectivity element, I'm putting myself into the, I'll put up my video mode off. 1 second. Okay, thank you so much. So welcome you all. My today's objective would be how to manage the virtual tree. In this, I'm going to make you guys, learn Prism model. We will also go through the virtual leadership skills, which is how to manage remote model again. And finally, maintain and manage remote team by working on PERMA model. So today you will be end up learning 3 simple model: Prism model, remote model, and PERMA model. And you will be, remembering it, memorizing it, and use it in your professional life. So before we start, I would really request that pre-COVID versus during COVID, one change you observed in lockdown. So request all the participants to use the chat box, and there, please mention one change you observed in the lockdown. So Preeti, if you could help me out sharing the chats, what are the answers audience are actually giving? Okay, so I think I only have to take that probably. Okay, so I have got some fairly good amount of responses, and let me help and see that. Can live without luxury. Thank you so much. Doing household chorus. SK Sharma says distancing, mindset and belief by Sanjeev Chopra. DK sir says patience, love for nature by Savita. Thank you. Ram Kaushik says change in culture. Sonali says work and webinars. Adaptability by Yogendra sir. Thank you. Homemade food, lovely Ajay. Sri Vidyanath says reback on my time management. Raji says life is easy. Problem in transportation by Yogendra. More learning, population is decreased after lockdown. Okay, virtual activities, more digitization, cooking, life without lifestyle, health. Johari window opened up. Thank you so much, Ajay, for bringing that out. Babita mentions every different perspective. The session is not getting recorded. Don't worry, Preeti, we will take care of that. It is recording. Adapting according to the situations, family time. Then we have reading and writing the poem. Beautiful. We have another one is remote work, taking care of self, passion for excellence, more clarity of thoughts, more trainings planned, more effective training, can live with minimal resources. I think this is beautiful. Thank you so very much. So let us try and understand what are the, we all mentioned various changes that you observed. So let me share this with all of you is, in the past 5 years, I have worked with 5 different countries. And during that time to manage a remote team spread out across 3 continents. Now, some of my team worked from an office while others were completely remote. Now, I work from India. I am now fully remote. And in fact, you'll be surprised that I'm training internationally as well as nationally sitting at home. So every company takes a slightly different approach to remote work, while the prospect of allowing your employees to work from anywhere is the key. So we know how the things have changed, and we know that the corona virus outbreak has become the world's largest work from home experiment. And let me share, the key word is experiment. So many organizations have transformed overnight into remote working organization. Now this sudden shift has left many leaders and their teams grappling with the issues that arises when everyone is suddenly dispersed. So leaders are figuring it out how to make remote work succeed, and what skills needs to be demonstrated for the best of results and productivity. We have to observe that. So it's been seen sorry for that, working from home has already on the rise. Now 2018, I know there was one study which was done by Global Workplace Analytics, and they indicated that remote work has grown 173% since 2005. Now there's another study which I got to know by Talent LMS. They say 16% fully remotely working, so because of this, now the changes you all have mentioned it so beautifully, whether it is lack of jobs or or for the shortage of fund, or learn Zoom, or trying to live with the luxury or not without luxury. So there are the ways we do business and interact could be fundamentally changed. And you will see with the millions of people, okay, so someone is asking, can you allow to record the session? This recording is already on, so I'll just take a second more and check. Recording is actually going on, so we will share the recording. Thank you so much. Okay, and then as I was mentioning, returning to the office life would be really difficult. The moment the lockdown would be up. Uh, I can also hear someone saying can't hear. So is it for me? Could you just someone please unmute yourself and share, or put it on the chat box if you can hear me? It's okay. Thank you so much, Sarabjit. Well, so we were just focusing on many of the best paid job serves no wider purpose than simply to make money. And we will be, all of us observe that social distance, in fact, we all will be standing by 1 meter, from each other. So there would be a great change which has been seen. Now, what there is, I'll request you to just please put up this poll. I'm going to have one in some time. So 1 minute, there is one. Yeah. Okay. Great. So I'm launching one poll, so it will be easier for us. The poll is already on. I request you to please take up this poll for us. So I'll give you all 30 seconds for this, and I can see the things are coming up. I'll give you 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So I'll end the poll right now. Let me share the results. So you will see the result which we have for people. They would be stressed most about the lockdown is losing the job by 51%. Getting corona is 25%. Pay cuts 21%, and getting groceries is 4%. So I'm not sharing this now. I'm putting it into the off mode. So why I did this was indeed that there are a lot of people who have come into the stress. And let me share what India says about the lockdown into this situation. So there was a study which was done by approximately 15,000 people. 27% actually are saying they are scared of losing the job. 15% says pay cuts, 15% getting groceries, and the interesting bit is 36% are scared about the corona. Whereas our today's, the poll says the losing job by you all population states that this is the one. So I have another poll for you. What is that the first thing you want to do once the lockdown is lifted? I'm going to put this again, the poll for you. And yes, I've just launched the poll. The poll is open for a minute. We have 30 more seconds with us. I can see 100 people have already, done the polling. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are ending the poll. Thank you so much. So let me share the results. The first thing you want to do once the lockdown is lifted is stay at home. Beautiful. 60% say stay at home. Rush to barber by 14%. Visit friends 16%. And shopping restaurant 10%. So thank you so much. I'm stop sharing this. I'm coming back to my screen. Well, so let's see, as I already shared about the stressed people would have. Now, let me share in India what the people are going to do immediately once the lockdown is over. That is 20% would rush to the barber, 90% will visit friends, 15% shop and restaurant, 35% wants to stay at home. So you can see a very good difference. Today's participants here, they are saying 60% of them would stay at home. So thank you so much for this poll. There's a reason to it. We'll try and understand what world says about the remote. So we will have your, assessment, which you would have taken in the Google Doc in the end of the session. But let's see what world says about remote. So before COVID, how often did you guys work remotely? Could you use your chat box and mention um, okay, so could you just use the chat box because I did hear some question coming up. I can take up that question in some time. Sarabjit says never. Pooja says never. Again, I could see never by Leena. Sanjay Muslim again never. All are never. Okay, Sanjeev Chopra said sometimes from Udaipur. Pushpala said never. Meenakshi says 2 days in a month. Okay. Rarely by Anand. Dinesh says never. Never in 15 years, never, never, never. And this one gentleman says, Mr. Wade,